Number one was a lot of times I have a hard time putting into words things that I've been thinking about over the years, or just my story, taglines, all of it I nailed with Tina. So basically, I'm working on 2026. We're 10 days out from Christmas, and normally I would say no, but I said a prayer to God and I said, Lord, I am looking for something new for 2026, and my tagline is keeping it simple for 2026. And then Tina called, and so that was my sign. Honestly, I am just embracing all of the other business owners that I connected with today, and we're all experiencing the same things. And so I just think that we need to give each other grace, and we just need to love people and just keep it simple. Oh, for lots of reasons, if we had maybe a few hours. But honestly, connections, it does shift your thinking. And it's actually really wonderful the way she laid it out. It was very relaxing, simple, and we nailed so many areas of our businesses, and I just can't even put into words at this time, except it's very emotional because I'm like, wow, that was really good. It just laid it all out so easy. I would highly recommend it to every business owner, actually any individual really, because it really gets you to get to know yourself better, helps you to structureize your business better, and it actually helps you with taking care of you, because a lot of business owners deal with burnout. And so the burnout is real, and Tina really helped unpack that as well.